Hello, and now we're on to hydrangeas now, a little bit late in the year to prune the dead flower heads off, but I'm going to share with you a very interesting fact about blue hydrangeas. Everybody in their garden likes a blue hydrangea. Many people have pink hydrangeas, and as we all know, pink is grown in the alkaline soil and blue is grown in the acid soil. But there's a key element which you need in the acid soil to enable the hydrangea to stay blue, and that's aluminium. Now, I suspect some of us have had blue hydrangeas that have turned pink, and we've been wondering how the devil has this happened? Well, I'll let you into a secret, and this is possibly how it is caused. When you deadhead your hydrangea, your flowering heads, usually in February to protect the buds over the cold winter, the normal practice is to take the flower heads off, such as this, and we're pretending in this warm summer day that we're in February or March. And this flower head is dead foliage, and I suspect that all of you that have had a blue hydrangea turn pink have taken this dead foliage and composted it on your compost heap. Now, the one key thing to remember is that with a blue hydrangea, this dead flower head contains many particles of aluminium. And if you are taking this hydrangea, your blue hydrangea flower head, from the plant and composting it elsewhere, you are effectively removing the aluminium that is enabling your hydrangea to stay blue. So you've got a blue hydrangea, you take your dead flower head in February or March and you place it at the base of the plant. It may look untidy, but at the end of the year when it decomposes, this dead hydrangea flower head is releasing all of the aluminium that it holds back into the soil to ensure that your hydrangea maintains its blue colour the next year. And as you can see, we've got a blue hydrangea coming here with no sign of pink whatsoever.